Hi, I'm Shea. Want to know more about our features? With Raffle, it's not just about hosting raffles, it's about revolutionizing how you do it. Raffle offers a comprehensive suite of tools that can help you elevate your raffle experience and significantly boost your ticket sales and revenue. Let's talk about ticket bundles. What are they, and why are they so important? Ticket bundles are one of the most popular features on our platform. A ticket bundle consists of a number of paid tickets and a number of free tickets grouped together to form a bundle. For example, buy 2 tickets and get 1 free. Offering free tickets as part of a bundle is a great way to incentivize entrants to purchase more tickets. Imagine a raffle priced at $2 per ticket. If there was an offer to buy 2 and get 1 free, it's safe to assume that many entrants will purchase 2 tickets instead of 1. But what if the offer was buy 2 and get 5 free? It's highly likely that even more entrants will purchase 2 tickets instead of 1. This might not sound that significant, however, in this example, you're actually increasing the average spend per customer by 200%. Whether you're running a raffle for your own benefit or to raise money for a charity or cause you believe in, your objective is to sell as many tickets as possible. So what does this mean, and why is it so important? Very simply put, by creating ticket bundles, your average revenue per entrant will increase. This will result in you selling more tickets and generating more revenue. Another way to look at it is that you'll also require less entrants to break even or make a profit. Let's talk about what you should consider when creating ticket bundles. Ticket bundles create an irresistible value proposition. Remember, while free tickets are infinite in supply, they should only be used strategically to increase ticket sales. Each bundle should have a clear purpose, to motivate entrants to buy more tickets. Consider the prize's appeal and think about how much an entrant would be required to spend in order to purchase the ticket bundle. For higher value prizes, larger bundles like buy 50, get 100 free can be very enticing. However, for smaller prizes, smaller bundles might be more appropriate. Whilst many entrants might be willing to spend £100 to win something of value or high in demand, it's unlikely that anyone might spend £100 to win a low-value prize. Create a sense of urgency by setting a short expiry date for your bundles. This tactic encourages prompt action. Plus, you can always add new bundles once your previous ones expire. You can have up to 4 different bundles at any time. Diversify your offers to appeal to different types of entrants. For high-value prizes, you might have 10, 20, 50, and even £100 bundles. Whereas for lower value prizes, you might consider 2, 5, 10, and 20-pound bundles. When offering multiple ticket bundles, it's important to make higher purchase bundles more enticing. This can be achieved by increasing the ratio of free tickets in each bundle. For example, an entrant would expect to receive a far larger ratio of free tickets for spending £100 compared to spending £10. Finally, consider when to use ticket bundles. Ticket bundles and promotion should be similar to booking flights, where earlier commitments are usually rewarded more significantly. This can encourage entrants to engage earlier rather than wait. This not only ensures a steady flow of ticket sales, but also maintains a sense of urgency and exclusivity. If you already have your own audience, followers, or fans, exclusive offers not only acknowledge their loyalty, but also stimulate active participation and early commitment. To conclude, ticket bundles are a powerful strategy to maximize your raffle's potential. They not only boost your ticket sales, but also enhance the overall experience for your participants. By carefully designing your bundles and implementing strategic offers, you can create a winning scenario for you, your organization, and for your entrants. Remember, the key is to balance the appeal of the prize with the value of the bundle, keeping in mind the different types of entrants you're targeting. With Raffle, you're well equipped to take your raffle to the next level. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your raffle transform into a more engaging, profitable, and exciting experience for everyone involved.